have been some helpful items around the home to help solve some problems that I've had. So I wanted to share them with you. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Angel. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video. And also, if you want to shop any of these items that I'm sharing, I'll have them linked in an Amazon live stream so you can shop them all directly on Amazon. You can easily see the pictures. It makes it really easy for shopping to have the pictures, add them to your cart, whether one or all at the same time. Be careful. I think sometimes YouTube will link some products, so definitely just watch that and watch the prices as well too. And also, if you're shopping this as of uploading, you may catch a lot of these on sale and on deal on Amazon. So we're going to jump in and get started. If you have issues with sore muscles, if you can't sleep, if you need some deep relief and something to help with stress, this Magnesium body butter is packed with magnesium. So magnesium has amazing healing properties. This lotion provides deep relief. So I know for me, I sometimes will get a sore shoulder after picking my little girl up so much, or my lower back sometimes when it's that time of the month. But this right here, I just rub some of this on here and it's amazing for providing deep relief. And this is the lavender scent, so it has a little bit of lavender oil, so it definitely helps with stress relief and helping to relax too. Because this is the body butter, it also has a couple extra things like vitamin E, shea butter, so it's very moisturizing too. But this little bottle lasts me a long time. I stay like this and I keep it in my nightstand. And even my husband uses it, y'all. I kid you not. He's used it on his knees sometimes when they're bothering him. He recently just used it on, what was it? His shoulder. He said he slept wrong that night and his shoulder was bothering him. So he threw this on there. He was like, what is in this stuff? So if it won him over, it's amazing. So definitely something that has helped us around here to solve some of our issues, especially with sore muscles and aches and pains and just relaxing too. Now, if you hate making mistakes, like, when you're making your budgets out, your meal planning, calendars, things like that, and you wrote it in and then you need to erase and you're like, oh man, I used a pen and I can't erase. These right here can be your best friend. And these are erasable pens. I love them. I have them both in the fine tip, which is the 0.5 tip. And then I also have the larger one, the 0.7. These are smooth writing, but the thing I love about them the most is that they are erasable, okay? So if you're making your calendar, your journals, your meal planning, and you're like, no, let me change this out. You can just erase it and keep it moving. My best friends, great. Also, if you're like designers or you're always like customizing people's plans, your clients lists and stuff like that, you can use this for a lot of different things. For helping that problem of when you're always making mistakes. Now, if you have sensitive underarms or if you want to switch to a clean deodorant that actually works, because y'all, I have tried a lot of clean deodorants on the market, okay? And a lot of them just did not work for me. But I will say, Tom's has been my go-to, okay? I have really found this to be extremely effective for both odor and sweat. Sometimes some of the natural only tackle odor, which is awesome, but then some of them do the sweat. This one is odor and sweat, and it has been working well for me and the hubs also. It's aluminum free, it smells great, and it doesn't irritate my skin, and I do have sensitive skin. So if you have that problem, you can try these. They have the 2-pack as of now. If you guys shop that live stream, they're on deal and they're on sale and you can save about a third off. Like seriously, it's such an amazing deal. Highly recommend it. This is also made with 100% recycled plastic. So it's a really good product, clean product too. So try them out. If you have hats piling up everywhere, you can't find them. They're in chairs. They're all over the place. Or if you're using some type of space and you have to pull all the hats out to get to one hat, this right here can be an amazing solution for you. This is an organizer that keeps your hats straight, organized, and easily accessible. It also saves space and it looks really neat. So whether you're putting it in a drawer or on a shelf, it only takes up this amount of space, or you can lay them sideways also if you would like to. And then another amazing thing is if you want a hat, you don't have to pull out all the hats to get the one in the back, right? You can just pull it right out. The spacing on this is amazing. There are individual spaces for each hat, so you can pull out any hat, without having to take out all the hats, and you can easily put it right back too. It's aesthetically pleasing, and 2 of these come in a pack. So if your family has a hat obsession like me and the hubs, try one of these. These are amazing. If you have that issue where you or the kids are always ruining your playing cards, whether from spills or tearing them up, try these right here. These are waterproof, tear resistant, and easy to clean playing cards. They have a metallic print on them. They are very modern, and They're a great alternative for if you want some playing cards that are meant to last. These can be a great solution for you because you don't have to worry so much about the paper, the tearing, the destroying, and having to rebuy them. These can definitely make your game nights stress-free. These can last you for years, okay? We've had ours for a long time. So great to have when the power is out. Give you guys something to do. You can play some games. Always handy to have on hand or even take with you if you're going out like camping or somewhere. Now, if you're constantly waking up with dry lips or you have dry lips throughout the day, you just can't seem to get them moisturized while it lasts, you want to wake up with those soft lips, listen, try this lip mask right here. I always wake up with soft, hydrated lips because I use some type of lip mask. This one in particular is very flavored. It's affordable. It literally is a tiny luxury that makes a big difference. So this is it. It may look dry in the container, but it's not. It's like a melting balm. So once you take it out and put it on your lips, it literally just melts in and it's so moisturizing. Like, I love this, and I think if you don't want to like go spend $20 on an overnight lip mask, you can try this one. This is an awesome alternative and it works amazingly well. It's currently on sale if you're shopping it today. If you have lingering smells like in certain places, like your trash cans, your cars, anywhere like that, try it odor and stain eliminator. A couple of sprays of this and the odor is gone, which I like. It's not covered up, it's eliminated because it has enzymes in here that helps to kill that odor. It's made for dogs, of course, so you know dogs do come with strong odors, whether it's urine, vomit, you know, any of that, poop, stains. So it is meant for like really, really heavy odors and stains. So if it can tackle dog stuff, it can tackle everyday stuff. So I not only use this, yes, I have dogs, but I also use this in like my trash cans. I use it in my diaper pails, diaper genies. If you have kiddos, babies, you can use it in anywhere that has a heavy odor. If you have some in your cars, you can use it there, and also with stains too. I love the fact that it's also multi-surface. So amazing product. Do you want to store something valuable or some cash somewhere safe? This is something people will never guess. You got something hidden and tucked away in, okay? This looks like a regular can, but it discreetly hides things from the normal suspect places that people look when they're looking for something, right? When they're looking for some cash or some valuables. This is perfect for travel or home. So, you know, if you're in Airbnb, you can just take it with you if you want to store some things away. This right here has a bottom opening that you just literally twist it open and voila, you have a nice little opening that you can store some cash. You can store flash drives, any type of watch, valuable, something like that, that you just want to make sure it's like a place that nobody thinks of. And especially if it's in your home and you have pantry food full of canned goods and things like that, you can get so many different types of cans. You can get the fruit ones. I think they got the baked bean ones. They have an assortment of cans. And as of my last live stream, you guys, these was marked down like half off. So maybe $4 or $5. Definitely worth looking into. But even at regular price, they're inexpensive. But it's a great way to discreetly hide things and tuck things away. Okay, so if you have a nagging bug problem outside or inside, if you cannot go outside and enjoy your front porch, your back deck, your patio, because all these flying bugs and mosquitoes and flies and things like that, you have got to try a bug zapper, okay? This one that I'm showing you, I have had for years. We've had this one since our old house, and we still love it, okay? This gives us that freedom to sit out on our front porch and not have to be doing this and this and this all day. And we're in Georgia, okay? We in Georgia, tons of woods around here. I love this bug zapper. It has definitely cut down tremendously on our flying bug problems. And it's easy. It's meant to last for years. All you do is change out the bulbs occasionally whenever you need to. I think we do ours maybe once a year because we leave ours on all the time, all year, all day. So it kills all those bugs, and we do have to clean it out because it get the bugs. So that's how you know it's working. Just easily just brush it off whenever you need to, whenever it piles up. It definitely helps to stop that problem of annoying flying bugs when you want to just sit outside and enjoy it. You can plug it up inside too if you have your windows open a lot and you have flies always coming in. You can always do it on the inside as well. But it's amazing for helping with those flying insects. Now, if you're struggling to stay on top of your bills, and your budget, you can grab this budget planner. This planner makes it simple and visual. It has spaces for everything. We actually use this, so let me see if I can go to a free month. It has folder spaces in here. So if you have maybe cash envelopes, or if you have paper bills, like, you know, a lot of times medical bills come in the mail and you don't want to forget about them or put them somewhere, you can put them right here in your folder. It has a folder for every month, so you can put whatever you need to tackle for that month right in the folder. If you have cash envelopes, you can put them right in here too. You have spaces for your month overview. You can write your dates your bills are due and check them off as you're doing it. It has spaces for a monthly budget. It also has an income tracker here too, which is helpful. It has a monthly overview, so you can see your bills at a glance for the entire month. Also have a monthly budget and an income tracker too. They give you a day-to-day spend. So if you want to put all your day-to-day spends in here, you definitely can. At the front of the book, they have even more, like a savings tracker, debt tracker, just all of that in here, and like a holiday spend too, summary of the year. And at the end of every month, they give you a monthly overview too that you can fill in. So it's very detailed. It's very helpful. But for me, I know I forget sometimes bills. And so I need a triple checker. So having it at the monthly glance, having the envelopes in there so I don't have bills stuck all over the house, something that needs to get paid that month. And especially if it's not like an electronic bill, I can just stick it in there and make sure not to forget about it to pay it. So these are amazing. So you guys, there you go. Those are some helpful items. So remember, if you want to shop all these items, I will link them in an Amazon live stream so that you can see the pictures and you can tap them and add them right to your cart directly on Amazon. So if you want one or all, it's easily just to add them all to your cart right there in one time. If you want the individual links, I will link those too. Let me know in the comments which one you'd like to try, or if you have tried it, or if there's something you found that helped you to solve a problem too. And I'll look into trying it myself. And remember, if you're shopping this today, you can probably find a lot of these on deal. So it's very important that you turn your notification bell on to all content here on YouTube so that you can shop stuff in the moment instead of like a week or 2 weeks later when it might not be on sale anymore. Thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate y'all so much. Big hearts to you. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to also enjoy this next video as well.